It's never wrong to put a little bit of sugar, it looks like, and it's very beautiful. Here you have it. Let me know if and I want to show you anyway. Set your oven, regular cooking, 180 degrees, and just preheat the oven while you're making your cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 cup of vanilla yogurt, the same measure, a cup of vegetable or flour oil. Use the same measure to measure 2.5 of this cup of flour, 2.5 of this cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and the zest of an orange. So here we go. Yogurt goes in. Oil, as I said before, you have 2.5 of flour, 2.5 of this cup of yogurt of flour here, 2.5 of sugar in here. And now this has been all course washed, and we're gonna do the lemon zest, no, the orange, the zest of an orange. This cake is a fantastic cake. This house is gonna smell lovely. It's easy, the ingredients are easy to find, and here we go. So there we are, all the ingredients are in, and now we're gonna use a regular blender, put everything there, and we just blend all together. And voila, this is soft and smooth. That's what you want. Pour the mixture in your baking cake pot, all of it, and this is gonna go straight in the oven. I put baking paper because I don't like watching all the baking tray pots, but if you don't have baking paper, you just put some oil or butter on your baking tray, and that should do the trick so the cake doesn't get stuck in the pot. Cooking for me is all about family, friends, gathering together and having a good time. So if you have a recipe that you want to share and keep from your grandmother, or a recipe that goes straight to your heart, send it to me and we can cook it together. These are hard times we're living now, but I think we can all still be together through food. This cake today is to honor Irene, which is the mother of one of my very good friends. And this cake is a fabulous cake. The house is gonna smell amazing. And kids love this recipe. Now you have to put the timer for 40 minutes, and in 40 minutes we're gonna check, and it's gonna be ready. There we are, 40 minutes. Oops. Yeah, that doesn't happen in the videos of Jamie Oliver or Gordon Ramsay. There you go. 40 minutes and the cake will be ready very soon. So it's 40 minutes now. We check the cake, use one of those sticks, and it's completely dry. So the cake is absolutely ready to get out of the oven. So 40 minutes and the cake is ready. And that is why I love to use paper, see? And here we are. Look, it smells delicious. This is a very quick, easy cake to make. It's a favorite in my home. Friends love it, kids love it, and it's never wrong to put a little bit of sugar. It's never good to cut a cake hot, but we've been doing this video for a few hours to show you, so I'm a little bit tired now, and I want to show you anyway. So look, this is how it looks like, and it's just a marvelous cake. I know it's a little bit of sugar, but you know, why not? Hard days, we all need a little bit of sugar. Well, friends, try to make this cake. It's completely and utterly worth it. Here you have it. Let me know if the instructions are good, and if you have any question, you just send me a message and I can answer them all. Enjoy the cake. Love and hugs to you all.